Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook cabbage and string bean with saltfish and okra. You understand what I did? Yeah, and some rice guys. So watch your badness in the kitchen. Cabbage, saltfish, okra and string bean guys. Don't know the badness. Guys, watch what I go on with some rice. Yeah, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on over here for the string bean, the saltfish, the okra and the cabbage. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut them up and make them so I go on. You understand what I did? Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna boil the saltfish, boil out some of the salt out of the saltfish. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so as I can see over here, put on the rice and put on the saltfish we go and boil. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll cut up my cabbage and my string beans. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Be a badness guys, watch your badness. Be a badness in the kitchen guys, remember me tell you. Some bad steamed veg with saltfish and rice. Yeah guys, so this is my cabbage. I'm gonna cut up the string bean now guys. Don't know the badness in the kitchen. Be a badness in the kitchen guys. Rice I go and cook, the saltfish I go and boil. You understand me I did, yes. So stay tuned, I'll cut up the string bean right now. Yeah guys, so I go on, rice I go and cook, rice I boil up. Yeah guys, and the saltfish. The saltfish cook. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna knock off the stove. Make my saltfish go and cool. Cut up the string bean and then we pick up the saltfish. Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Be a badness guys, watch your badness. cut up some okra you know. You understand all you know? Wash off my okra and cut them up in the swab. Guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so I go in my kitchen. I'm gonna light up the stove. Put on my pot, I'm gonna see what I go in my kitchen guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a bag over my rice. And go on steam. You understand me? Yeah. Make my rice go on steam out guys. Yeah guys, so make my rice go on steam. What I'm gonna do now, go light up in this water stove and put on my pot with me cabbage and my string bean guys. Watch your badness. Guys, look my aisle, vegetable aisle. See that? Yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, wash off my vegetable and put them in the pot. You understand now, dude? Yeah, so watch your badness, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna put in the cabbage in the pot now. Cabbage, the string bean, and the okra. Guys, the one I go bother. Guys, the pot full. Clean down, guys. Watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah. Guys, my rice done cook. Yeah. See that shelly? Watch it, guys. Be a badness. So guys, I'm gonna lock off the stove. Understand how I do. And focus on me cabbage and me string bean and me okra, you know. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna lock off my rice pot. Don't know the badness. Guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back. Guys, I'm gonna put some hard purpose. Some coconut milk powder mix. Guys, the saltfish. Grown season, guys. Guys, I gotta put a little black pepper. A little bit black pepper, guys. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. In the plate. Soon come back, guys. Be a badness. Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. The cabbage, the okra, the string bean and the saltfish. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Yeah, be a badness. Soon come back, guys. Soon come back. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Be a bad food. Yo, you see this? All heap of strength tonight. Remember me tell you, enough people don't know them style. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. The cabbage, the string bean, saltfish, okra. Guys, be a badness. I go lock off the stove and now share some food. Make you see what I want. Be a badness, guys.